Don't have fire? No. Alright, let's go! Oh, my bad. Come on. During lunch, just a why? Why like during lunch? Alright. No. Stop. We're good? We're good? Alright. I'm not the fastest one yet.
Mr. Nurse! Get out of here! Just because you want to hit something blueberry flavor doesn't mean you have to hit it off the wall.
What? Sixth time!
Again.
Sixth time!
It happened yesterday, right?
Yeah, during lunch.
No, it was Wednesday. Oh no, it happened yesterday.
Yeah.
Thanks in the room. I'm guessing a malfunction on the system.
Malfunction on the system. Why the hell is there a fucking speaker up there? I did not notice that.
I think that's for the speaker for the announcement.
Announcement?
Yeah. Because you can barely ever hear the announcement over here. Damn. Go that way.
Yeah, I know. So that's the sixth time.
I feel like Barry used to spills for anything to eat.
Yeah.
I mean, it's for baseball, yeah. Hit the ball very hard with the bat.
Yeah.
Huh?
Up and there goes. What the fuck?
What are you doing for this thing? Still need line up.
Wait. All clear.
All clear.
What? I have no idea.
Yeah, I guess someone was vaping in the bathroom.
Possibly.
Or smoking. Oh, what are you doing?
Dead Poets.
Trying to find the movie? Or you need some clips of the movie?
Are you trying to like find the movie or like the clips or what? You're trying to search the entire movie?
Well, you asked Mr. Ortiz to give you the movie.
Maybe.
Samantha, the American Girl doll.
Sorry.
So you trying to find the whole movie?
Huh?
It's an old movie, so it's very...